Good day, everyone. Ryan again here, and today I'm going to provide you again a brief explanation regarding our project number 6 entitled as Simple Security Alarm. So, compared to our project 5, this becomes more simple since the component that we will be using is a ultrasonic sensor from which will be only functions to sensor for a mainly on security system. So first one, we will be defining our pin numbers. First will be our constant integer. First is trigger pin, which is pinned in seventh pin. Second constant integer would be our echo pin, which is pinned on sixth. Constant integer number 3 is red lead, which is will be pinned in fifth, and the constant integer buzzer pin, which will be pinned on analog 0. And also we have here the long duration and int distance, so that we will be um, stating them as our main variable for our statements or our methods that is needed to be like arrays, something like that. That will be needing to simplify with or deal with so that the whole function will be executed well. Okay. First, for our void setup, we'll be initializing serial communication, of course, serial.begin, another, and 9600, since the 9600 is the default baud rate for serial communication. Then setting the pin modes. As we can see here, only the echo pin will be the input and the rest will be output. So for our void loop, first we will be clearing the trig pin since um, we will firstly turning off our trigger pin since it will be working when the ultrasonic sensor only detects something that is in motion. So it also have a delay microseconds of 2. And next one will be setting the trigger pin on high state for 10 microseconds. So digital write trigger pin as high as turned on, and a delay of microseconds of 10 or zero point 0.1 second. Then digital trig pin low, so that it will be turning off if the ultrasonic sensor doesn't detect anything. Next will be reading the echo pin as it will be returning a sound wave travel time in microseconds. So duration as our non-constant variable from the initialization above here. Okay, so duration is equal to pulse in open parenthesis echo pin to turn on the echo pin of our ultrasonic sensor. So next we'll be calculating the distance in centimeters, which is based on our duration here, and it will be naming after our distance, which is another non-constant integer from our initialization above. So duration times 0.034 divided by 2. Since 0.034 is the default distance a certain of a certain thing that would be around the ultrasonic sensor, and divided by 2 because it will be rounding, you know, after after executing the first detected movement. Of course, it will be turning back and off and on when only the ultrasonic sensor would be detecting something. The next one, we will be printing the distance of in the serial monitor. So this will be only visible in our serial monitor, so we don't need to tackle that up. And next one will be our turning off all the LEDs. Of course, this includes the red LED. Next one will be the determining of LED color based on distance. So when our distance is about greater than or equal to 20, the red LED would be turning on in a and with that tone or the buzzer pin in 1000 hertz. Then another statement would be if the distance is less than 20, but the distance is greater than or equal to 50 centimeters, the red LED would be also high. Okay. And it will be turning on with a tone of 1000 hertz. Then the last statement would be the red LED would be turning off after after it had detected a greater than or less than or equal to 50, but less greater than 20. Then no tone, of course. The buzzer pin will be turning off together with the red LED. Then a delay of 100 microseconds or 0.01 second for the next reading. That's all. Thank you.
Isa pa. Hold on.